Say hi, my name is Amazing. Yep, because I'm amazing. You heard my mama. Hello, my lovely subscribers. It's me, Tanil, the one and only. Yeah, me. So welcome to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new, I'm gonna need you to hit that subscribe button and make sure you like this video. Be sure to hit that notification bell so you can be alerted to all my videos when I upload. That will be every Wednesday and every Sunday. So I'm trying to be consistent, but with 2 kids, it is kind of difficult. Also, I have a lot of stuff that I have not unpacked since I moved, and I have moved here a long time ago. Anyway, so I have been unpacking since I've been taking advantage of this quarantine situation. I decided I'm going to do my morning skincare routine. I'm going to share that with you guys. And then I'm also going to share my night skincare routine with you guys. I know you guys see this hair of mine. This needs to get done. So I've been requested to do a tutorial on singles, but I don't really feel like putting singles in my hair right now, but I am for a good jumbo braid style, y'all. So I've decided that after my skincare routines, I'm going to share with you guys how I do my box braid technique. Yeah. So stay tuned for those videos. I want to apologize if my camera is a little shaky. I don't have a tripod right now. The one that I did have broke, so I need to get a new one. Wah, wah, wah. So yeah, see, that wouldn't happen if I had a tripod. So excuse the hair for this tutorial. We worried about the face. That's why it's all nice and bare. Like I said, this is my morning routine, so I just woke up. I haven't absolutely done anything to my face. This is bare. Forgive these eyebrows, girl, because these things is about to get done. I need to get them threaded. That is on my to-do list. Look at these dark circles. So yeah. So how about we just get into this video, shall we? Yeah, how about we just do that. So first things first, let's get into my morning routine, y'all. All right, so I use this type of sponge. I have a whole bunch of them. You can get this at the dollar store, y'all. But I like it because it has the fuzzy part on this part and then the exfoliating part on the back. And you can get 3 of these in a pack for $1. Let me tell y'all. So the cleanser that I am going to start off with shall be the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser, y'all. Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. So I'm going to cleanse my face with this, and then I'm going to exfoliate. So now let me wet my face. Now I'm about to cleanse. Now it's time to exfoliate. I'm going to use the Dr. BRANDT. I hope that's how I say his name. BRANDT MICRODERMABRASION Age Defying Exfoliator, exfoliant and anti-age. Rub it into my face with my fingers, and these has like little exfoliating beads in it. Or maybe it's not beads actually. I don't think it's beads, it's grain. Like grains. I'm gonna have to read and see what is up in here. It says, dampen skin with warm water, slowly and gentle massage cream into skin for 1 to 2 minutes, avoiding the eye area. Rinse well, pat dry. Best if used 1 to 2 times per week, allowing 3 days between applications. Yes. So I don't really use this every day actually. I mostly use it. When do I use this? Every once in a while. Now that I have scrubbed my face, I always switch up my morning care routine. I don't ever have anything consistent because this is terrible. This is not going well. So to tone my face, I'm going to be using the little scrubby thing, and I'm going to add some of the KIEHLS extract. What is this? Calendula, herbal extract toner, alcohol free, and I'm adding that on top of my little thingy. And I'm gonna just dab that on my face. Dab it on my face, just dab. Toning the face, just dab. Toning that face. Tone. Tone the face. Don't forget the mustache. Look at that. This is what happens when you don't do your face every day. I actually think when you start getting back into doing skincare, all the germs that is in your face starts to come up out of your face. And that's why you see those like little breakouts before your skin clears up and goes like, so I don't really have too many breakouts. Usually I have like a small little something like this for when I don't cleanse my face like every day. Like if I skip like 2 to 3 days before I decide to cleanse my face, or a week, that happens. So make sure you stay consistent with cleansing your face, because I plan on using a mask today since I have not masked in a while. So for this tutorial, I will be doing a mask, y'all. Since I'm using the Candela Oil Toner, I'm going to use the Kale Candela Oil Aloe, not oil, Candela and Aloe Soothing Hydration Mask, and apply a visible layer to skin. This is how you use this. To the clean skin, and leave on for 5 minutes, and then rinse with warm water and massage gently in a circular motion. Pat dry with a soft towel and avoid eyes. We already used the toner. Now how about we try on the mask? And I'm gonna leave this on for 5 minutes. So I just rinse my face off. Face is all dry. I already used my mask. Now I'm going to tone again. Now let me get back to what was I doing? Moisturizing. All right, so moisturize. What I'm about to use for the moisturizer is, of course, my Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Exfoliant Moisturizer. I'm gonna put some of my Clinique, what is this? Clinique All About the Eyes. Add some of this cream right underneath here. Got my skin feeling luxurious. Okay. how smooth and shiny I am. Glistening, girl. The girl is glistening, y'all. And so the sunscreen I actually ended up using was the Hawaiian Tropics antioxidant sunscreen. It has an SPF of 30. And I actually love this sunscreen for my entire body, including my face. So yeah, I use that. And I also use for my lips, I use Vaseline, the cocoa butter healing jelly Vaseline. And I just put that on my lips as, because you know them things, these lips got to get moisturized. We need some hydration, huh, mamas? Say, yeah. The skin needs the hydration. It needs hydration. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Say hi. My name is Amazing. Yep, because I'm amazing. You heard my mama. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. All right, y'all. Until next time. Peace.